Alright, so we're all pumped down. Got something funky going on. I didn't want having to. There's no disconnect, which there should be within arm's reach of water heater. So I just because it's way down in the basement. So these two are hot. These two are disconnected. Of course, you always have cold water coming in and hot water coming out. And typically, your hot water will flow for a little bit, but then stop. Right? And so this won't be under any pressure. For some reason, something is hooked up wrong, because look at that. That's cold. And that's not just water flowing from a second floor. That's actual pressure. See that? Like somebody's shower is hooked up to it wrong or something. So what we're going to do, because I can't work like that, is do that, and this, and this. This is going to be a lot more than just a simple water heater installation. Ay, 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 ay. Got domestic hot out. That is. Oh, and there's an expansion tank. Sounds full of air, or sounds full of water. Well, let's see what happens.